mango tree. You plant a mango tree.
Yeah.
Lots of fresh little mangoes in the tree. You okay? Mango you can reach. Fresh mango.
With a jewel.
A lot of juice inside. Juice to go in the back and fat up girl's belly, you know. Yeah, mangoes. Taking a walk on the lawn.
Bumba.
You got mango tree outside of the property. All place. Lots of mangoes on the tree. We got mangoes like, you know, the season.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
There you got Julie mango tree,
Yes,
black
I read that.
mango tree. Look, there's another ripe mango. More mangoes. We eat a lot of mangoes, you know.
Man.
Here you go again. Mango. Lots of it. You know, we should really call some of the guys in the country and tell them come and get some of these mangoes. Don't let it go to waste.
Bumba. Right past that.
There might mango all over the place.
Oh, that bird nest.
It's this bird nest. The bird even nesting amongst the mangoes.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
There are mangoes all over the place, man. There's the ice mountain over there.
Ice Mountain.
You know, when I was in England, or when I was in London, you know, we never have so many mangoes. But in Jamaica, in the summertime, we got a lot of mangoes rising, rotting, eating. I'm gonna eat a mango now. Oh, that's good.
Lots and lots of mangoes. Delicious.
You know, there's a man I want to tell you about. Whenever he, you know, my friend. Yeah, more mangoes. I want to take some mango in the country for my grandma. My friend actually went into the kitchen and said he wanted a cup of tea, so instead he shoveled the sugar. And when he did trouble the sugar, and the man come inside and said, I can't even tell you what he said right now. For all the girls who want to come over, come over. We can have a picnic right here. Look,
Yeah.
grass is green, flourish, you know. So when I invite all ladies to come over, we got the pool over there. You want to go and see the pool? I show the pool next time.
When we have part 2 of the tour of the great house of
Great house place. He lives here, you know. He own the premises, you know. Yeah. So we're gonna invite yeah. So we're gonna invite our friends to just come here, hang out, have some party, drink cognac and Hennessy and bubbly. Yeah, you know.
So we're going, bossy.
Let's take a walk around the fish area, or the sea creature area. Come on, let's go. And see our own vegetable garden. got the okras and tomatoes. You know, come, let's go, man. This is where we hang out sometime, you know.
Yeah.
It's a great sight, you know. That is stir up a tree. Yeah, is a stir up a tree, you know. And the fever grass trees and the pine trees.
The pine.
Yeah, and the June plum trees. Look, there's June plum inside. Yeah.
Just a beer, you know?
Yeah. And there, you got the guava tree over there.
Yeah, ackee tree.
You got the ackee tree, the cane tree. Yeah, this is the cane tree. The girls them say them want something tall like the cane tree, so I got a lot of cane juice for them, you know. And I got the banana tree, and the coconut tree, and the orange tree, and the pawpaw tree, and the pumpkin tree.
Lots and lots of trees.
This is my favorite tree. This is the okra tree. Yeah, the okra tree. Strong up your back tree. Put enough oil in your back for the girls that tree. And this is the tomato tree. Tomato tree. And this is a small version of the ackee tree that we're harnessed to this quality, you know. Did you put the clothes in the machine? I'm gonna check it in the machine. No, I ain't gonna check those shit right now, man. How you can see the kitchen tree. Yeah, you got a shaggy tree.
That's everything. Yeah, man, I tell you.
You got the kitchen tree. There, you got a breadfruit tree.
Yeah.
And a pear tree over there. And a soursop tree.
Full of tree.
All kind of trees. This place is a root place.
And if you want some tea, we get mint tree.
And this is a sweet tree.
Yeah.
So guys, whenever you come to this place, you can get a lot of juice. More juice. All kind of juice. Okay? This is the juice yard. I got a lot of natural, vegetable, organic, and all kind of juice. So just come on over, let's eat mangoes and have fun.
Yeah.
I'm out.
Alright. Don't know. We in that place, you know? I go and build, you know? Yeah, man. So, most of the time we are signing out. Straight.